If you want to completely deactivate the Gemini or Google Assistant on the Xiaomi 17, first of all, we can open Settings. Now over here in Settings, scroll down and search for the Google option. And then once you open Google Services, we want to switch to all services over here in this place. And then we're gonna scroll down further in order to find the Search Assistant and Voice option. In here, you want to go to Google Assistant. Even if you use Gemini, you want to choose Google Assistant. And in fact, if you do use if you in fact use Gemini, then you want to proceed to digital assistants from Google, and you need to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant. You want to confirm that you want to do that, and there we go. Of course, if you already have Google Assistant set up, then you can skip that step. Now we're gonna proceed to General, and in here we can deactivate Google Assistant. There we go, confirm that you want to do that. And now the Google Assistant and Gemini are completely deactivated on your phone. Of course, you can also go ahead and open, let me actually try to locate it. So you want to go to additional settings as well in order to, of course, remove the Gemini or Google Assistant from the power button. So if you open the gesture shortcuts, over here we have Launch Digital Assistant, and you can turn this option off. So when you press and hold the power button, then you will not activate Gemini or Google Assistant. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.